If you use FireSend or any application to sideload APKs on your Android TV, I've got some breaking news. Google has just suspended the FireSend application and completely removed it from the Google Play Store. And the reason tells us a lot more about what's coming up on the Android TV platform. And this is just not about one application. This could affect dozens more of applications which all do a similar kind of thing. Now you can see here, I've already got the application installed on my device, but if I try to do more info on that, click on view details, it tells me item not found. Similarly, if I open up the Play Store and search for FireSend, we can see now as of the 23rd of February, this application is no longer available. Now, if you didn't know, FireSend is an application created by DocSquiffy. It's a great way or a great utility to transfer applications from your devices to your other devices, like your Android TV over to your FireStick, FireStick to FireStick, from your phone to your FireStick, from any browser, even on iPhones, to your streaming device. You can move applications freely, but as of today, Google have decided that this application is no longer safe for the Play Store. Now, if you're interested in what Google actually said, this is the warning that DocSquiffy received this morning. And you can see here that your application has now been suspended. And the violation is that apps that can cause users to download or install applications from unknown sources outside the Google Play Store are prohibited. And this is basically telling you that your application is allowing users to download applications outside the Google Play Store. And we're not happy with that. Google want to enforce that applications should ideally be installed directly from the Play Store. If you are somebody that likes sideloading, then you can see they are going to make it more and more difficult. And if this application gets hit, who knows if other applications like Downloader or any other application that allows you to download applications could be next on the target list. I think this definitely tells us that Google is tightening enforcement around applications that facilitate APK transfers or sideloading. So not necessarily piracy apps or third-party applications providing access to illegal content, but even an application that facilitates APK transfers, downloading, sideloading, even those could be targeted by Google. I mean, that's not to say that sideloading is being blocked or being taken away, because anybody knows on the Android TV devices, when you try to install an application, you do get a prompt saying, for security reasons, this has been blocked for you, but then gives you the ability to enable that feature. So that's not going to go away anytime soon, but you can see just the whole process of sideloading. They're trying to make it as difficult as possible. So the question is, what happens next? Well, if you do have the application installed on your device, I've got it on mine. As you can see here, application still works absolutely fine. You can type in your favorite room codes. You can create rooms. It's a great way for you to search and even find applications available to install on all of your streaming devices. But I think the main question is this just a one-off mistake? Maybe they did it in error, or is this part of a broader movement where we've seen that Amazon is blocking apps, Android TV is blocking apps. Now they're removing applications which are official and just utility applications from the Play Store. Is this a start of something much bigger? And slowly we'll see more applications like Downloader, like other utility applications also being removed because they can potentially facilitate the installation of third-party APKs. So do leave me a comment below. Let me know if you think this is a one-off mistake, just a one-off thing, or do you think Google is slowly trying to make things more and more difficult for the people that love sideloading? So do leave me that comment below. I'll keep monitoring the situation, and if there is an update from DocSquiffy, then I'll definitely share it with you guys. Do leave me a comment below if you've used this application, what you think of it, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.